fuel, Captain! The fireworks show is about to start. Captain Kiki, can you deliver fireworks fuel? Count on me! I will deliver them fast and safe! Follow the map to get to the place of the fireworks show. Whoa! Be sure to load all fireworks fuel onto the ship. The fireworks show is about to start. Let's hurry. The fireworks show is about to start. Let's hurry. That ship is on fire. Let's put out the fire. Put out the fire on the ship. Boom. Oil spills can contaminate the ocean. Be sure to clean it up thoroughly. Great! The fire was put out in time. Keep sailing. Let's go! The sea monster is getting in our way! Let's chase the sea monster away! The sea monster is defeated! Keep sailing! Let's go! Captain Kiki, we failed to catch any fish. Can you help us? No problem. Help me find these fish. Help me find these fish. Here are fish for you. Thank you, Captain Kiki. The fireworks show is about to start. Let's hurry. This is the service station. Steer your ship inside and have it checked. There is peeling paint in the dragon boat, and the nails on it are also rusty. Take out the rusty nails and replace them with new ones. Then let's paint the dragon boat. Our ship has been repaired. Here is your... Go! The destination is in sight. The sea fog here is thick. Be careful. There are so many bats. Let's get rid of them. Great! You are outside the foggy area safely. Here is Ling. Let's go! Here comes the pirate. Let's defeat him!
I will get you! I will be back.
You have defeated the pirate! Great job! The destination is in sight. The fireworks show is right ahead. Captain Kiki, let's make fireworks! Pour the fuel into the fireworks machine. Let's see what kind of fireworks will be made. set off fireworks.